Let's start off then with what the rupee is up to vis-a-vis the US dollar. Remember, yesterday we did touch a one-week low, but you are seeing quite a bit of a reversal in the trend. 61.90, so we're well below the 62 mark on the rupee. And in fact, it has been ranging between 61.92, 61.90 thereabouts to 62.04 to the US dollar. The dollar index is trading flat, and you've got the rupee as well as the Singapore dollar, by the way, which are some of the best gainers in Asia. The Japanese yen, the South Korean won are some of the worst performers in the Asian currency basket. The 10-year bond yield should flag that off for you as well. It's marginally easing to about 8.8% to 8.9%, and it has been in that range. Coal rates 7.75%, 8% today, and of course we'll be watching out for the HSBC services PMI, which also will be due. But for the equity markets, a strong rebound.
Yeah, actually, I just want to focus a bit on the global macro first, and just those flashes now. Not completely confirmed as to whether the standoff is off right now or no, but I'm guessing the markets are taking cues from that. Bring up the euro dollar, and I think from those 1.38 levels, the euro dollar is probably now come off a bit. So 1.37 or 1.36 for the euro versus the dollar, 1.3754. So there is a bit of a coming off between the in the euro versus the dollar. So that's essentially showing you what has happening globally. Russian markets, incidentally, are up 3.5 to 4%, and the Dow futures too. The last time I checked, I mean, they were 40 points up at the start of the trading day today. Now they're up close to 150 points. So globally, things have just started to look up a little bit in the session.
Nifty future 6,300.
Oh yes, I mean, of course, our markets just coming to that only.
Yeah.
So what's happening globally is actually reflecting in our markets as well. And 6269 for the spot, 6,300 for the Nifty futures, and a lot of stocks have rebounded. So I mean, essentially, what you're seeing in the Nifty, you will also see in stocks like Dr. Reddy's, which had taken a fair bit of punishment post this whole escalation. And Dr. Reddy's is one of the many stocks that have bounced back in trade as a result of what people believe could be standoff getting over. So look at Dr. Reddy's intraday and you will see what I'm talking about. Look at the oil marketing companies intraday. Now pull up these individual counters that I'm speaking about. Pull up Dr. Reddy's, pull up the oil marketing companies and show you what they are doing in the session today as well. There is a bounce back that's coming in some of these counters, and that's pretty much where the uptick is coming from. Look at the OMCs. Because of the natural relief that people believe will come in crude, these stocks are also jumping up in the session today. So good news all around, and of course the mid-cap space belongs to the Tata group of companies. I'm sure we'll talk about it all through the show today, but Timken, Tata Global, Tata Elxsi, Tata Communication, Tata Metallics, you name it, Tata Chemicals, all the Tata group companies are essentially dominating trade in the mid-cap space.